Hey, great day to you. So how to import data from Amazon to QuickBooks Online? Well, down in the description of this video, you're going to find the link to a free trial of a really cool app, a connector app called Link My Books. There's also going to be a 50% off for 3 whole month discount and coupon code for Link My Books, save big. So basically what you can do with Link My Books is you can connect your Amazon and import data to QuickBooks or Xero, but also you can use it for Etsy, Walmart, eBay, TikTok Shop, Shopify, and also for WooCommerce and Square. So you can import data from those kind of channels to Xero or QuickBooks for accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. So again, free trial best discount in the description. So save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. Now, all the things are in the description as I've mentioned. And look, Link My Books can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. And hence, we have created some tutorials for you so it can be easily understood by yourself, there, dear viewer. So the first tutorial we have for you with myself, Baba Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and my guest is Daniel Little, the co-founder and CEO of Link My Books. We have created the first video for you, how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers, basically from A to Z, how to make the most out of this platform, and actually how to use it from A to Z. So after watching this video, you'll easily understand how it all works. By the way, with the free trial down in the description, you also get free onboarding. So the guys from Link My Books are going to be able to help you as well to understand how to use it. Now, if you're a bookkeeper and accountant, we have another video for you down in the description. That's how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. So that's a 41-minute video, also with Daniel Little, the co-founder and CEO of Link My Books, where we show you how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. So if you are such a person, this video will close all the gaps for you as an accountant and bookkeeper. Of course, if anything is not clear, you are always welcome to drop a comment and we will get back to you. So again, if you want to import data from Amazon and all those other channels to QuickBooks Online or to Xero, check out Link My Books. Free trial down in the description of the video and a special coupon code, 50% off for 3 whole months. Save big, save money. I'm wishing you a great day, great growth in your business, and a happy life. Thank you for watching.